Hi everybody, in today's video I want to show you a little bit of Sleeping Giant Provincial Park. The first thing that you need to know is that if you want to hike in any trail here, you have to drive for maybe 5 minutes from the camping area to one parking lot where all the hiking trails start. The first day we chose to hike in 2 different trails and we ended up hiking for 14 kilometers. Once again, I wanna recommend you to check the difficulty level of each hiking trail. Don't be fooled if it says that it's maybe 1 kilometer hike in a difficult level trail. Trust me, it's going to be very hard. We ended up hiking in the head trail, and this one is one of the steepest hiking trails in the entire park. By the way, it has just 1.4 kilometers to hike, but the difficulty level is very high. It was very hard to reach the top, but so satisfying when we finally were able to see the lake, so I totally recommend you to do it. After the hike, we went to the lake to swim for a little while, and yep, the water was very cold. And after that, we went to our campsite to rest for the night. By the way, if you have boats, I want to show you how the launching area looks like, so you can feel more comfortable to put your boat there. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to see more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!